Hi, welcome back to P2M, the Positive Perspective Mindset channel. Today we're covering some personal development strategies, continuous growth for success. So let's dive in. Investing in our personal development can unlock the secrets for success in our life and at work. You know, one of the biggest factors that determine success is not the skills that we possess, but it's our mindset. It all starts with having a positive and realistic mindset to set the foundation for growth and achievement. Imagine you're faced with a challenging project at work. You can either approach it with a negative mindset, thinking, I'll never be able to complete it on time, or you shift and think about it in a more positive and realistic mindset, thinking, hey, this is a great opportunity for me to showcase my skills and learn something new. Which mindset do you think will lead you to success? Which mindset will help you carry less weight on your shoulders and be more useful for you? Well, you guessed it, it's the positive and realistic one. Of course, that doesn't mean that you shouldn't flag if you need more support or if you don't think that you'll complete the project on time, but it means that your first instinct should be a more positive outlook instead of a negative one. Now that we understand the importance of having the right mindset, let's dive in some practical steps you can take to continuously grow and achieve success. Here are 5 powerful personal development strategies, starting with 1. Set clear goals and priorities. Imagine you're planning a vacation. You wouldn't just hop into a car and start driving aimlessly, right? The same goes for your personal development journey. By setting clear goals and priorities, you're creating a roadmap that helps you focus your time and energy on what truly matters. Whether it's at work or in life, having a clear direction ensures you stay on track and make progress towards your objectives. Take the time to reflect, research, and plan. It will help steer you in the right direction when obstacles get in your way. 3. Cultivate a growth mindset. Let's say you encounter a setback at work. You didn't get the promotion you were hoping for. You could choose to dwell on it and believe you're not good enough, or you can adopt a growth mindset. A growth or positive mindset allows you to see challenges as opportunities for learning and improvement. Instead of being discouraged, you'll focus on developing the skills and knowledge needed to succeed. This mindset shift will not only help you bounce back from failures, but also fuels your motivation to keep moving forward. It can also help you combat self-doubt. To learn more, check out episode 10 on why failure is necessary for success, and so is embracing your mistakes. 4. Build a supportive network. Surrounding yourself with the right people can make a world of difference in your personal and professional life. Imagine you're trying to launch a new business. Connecting with other entrepreneurs who have already experienced the ups and downs can offer you valuable insights, advice, and support. Similarly, having a supportive network of friends and family that believe in your dreams and cheer you on can boost your confidence and keep you motivated during challenging times. Of course, not everyone is looking out for you, so you need to arm yourself with the right tools, right attitude, and the right people. And 5, practice self-care and reflection. Personal development goes hand in hand with self-care and reflection. Take the time to recharge and rejuvenate. Engage in activities that bring you joy and help you relax. Additionally, regularly reflect on your progress, celebrate your achievements along the way, and identify areas for improvement. This self-awareness will keep you on track and help you make necessary adjustments along the way. Don't underestimate the power of self-care and self-awareness. You can grow exponentially when you start aligning your goals with your needs and actively working on balancing it out. Let's not forget the importance of balancing work and life, which is crucial for your overall well-being and success. Taking care of yourself physically, mentally, and emotionally is not a luxury, it's a necessity. So what does that mean at work? It means setting boundaries, taking more breaks, and engaging in activities that recharge you. Personally, it could be as simple as practicing mindfulness, pursuing hobbies that you enjoy, or spending quality time with your loved ones. So go treat yourself and book yourself on one-on-one solitude dates that you can go on regularly to reflect and assess your progress. So what are some actions that you can take that go hand in hand with personal development strategies? Here are 3 key pieces of advice and actions, starting with 1. Practice gratitude and positive thinking. So, how can you cultivate that growth or positive mindset? Well, you can start a daily gratitude journal. Write down 3 things you're grateful for each day, focusing on both big and small blessings in your life. The simple practice can reframe your mindset and promote continuous positivity. 2. Setting realistic goals and celebrating progress. Earlier, I mentioned how setting goals is essential for personal growth, but it's important to make them achievable and realistic. Unrealistic goals lead to frustration and demotivation. So, I want you to identify one long term goal you want to achieve, break it down into smaller, actionable steps, and set milestones for each step. Celebrate your progress as you accomplish these milestones, reinforcing a positive mindset. And 3, embracing challenges and learning from failures. Always think, what can I learn from this? Think about a recent challenge or failure you faced. Reflect and take note of the lessons learned from it and how you can apply those lessons to future situations. Embrace your growth mindset by seeing challenges as opportunities for personal development and experience for next time. Remember, personal development is a continuous journey, and having a positive and realistic mindset while implementing strategies is a crucial aspect of that journey. Let's summarize. We are identifying, reflecting, and investing in personal development strategies for continuous growth and success in our life and at work. The 3 key points into doing so are: 1. Foster a positive and realistic mindset to unlock your true potential. Shift and rewire your mindset. 2. Set clear goals, prioritize, and create a roadmap for your personal development journey. Ensure your goals are realistic, monitor your progress, and celebrate your wins. And 3, embrace lifelong learning, build a supportive network, and practice self care and reflection. So stay positive, stay focused, and keep growing. These were some steps and actions on personal development strategies, continuous growth for success. If this helped you, like, subscribe, and share your support. I'm Amanda, your online buddy. Join me next week where we'll be covering building resilience, overcoming challenges in your career. Ask questions or suggest topics related to your personal life or career in the comments, and we can tackle them together. Remember to keep a positive yet realistic mindset. See you next week.